What if I told you, right now, someone with zero experience is using AI to build a business, while thousands of highly educated people are slowly falling behind? Sounds unfair, maybe, but that's exactly what's happening. Every single day, AI is replacing old ways of working. People who learn these tools finish hours of work in minutes. People who ignore them risk becoming irrelevant. And here's the scary part. Most people still have no idea what's coming. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 AI tools that are changing the future. But one tool on this list is so powerful that many creators, freelancers, and business owners now use it every single day. Miss it, and you might miss one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. Let's begin. Number 5. Perplexity AI. Imagine spending 2 hours searching Google, opening 20 different websites, and still not finding the answer. Now imagine getting the same answer in under 2 minutes, with real sources included. That's exactly what Perplexity AI does. Students use it, business owners use it, researchers use it, because instead of giving you thousands of links, it gives you the answer, backed by real information. But here's the twist. This isn't even the most powerful AI on today's list, because the next AI tool can do something most people still think is impossible.